My name is Dave Gregg. I am CEO of TARUS Products. My father, Doug Gregg, started working out of his garage to make electrodes for EDM machines. So my father always had a philosophy of doing everything in-house, and so that's what we did. If we needed a machine, we had to make it. Starting off making little like bridge ports, then we started making bigger gantry machines. We've made water jets, line burners, grinding machines. We've always made our own machines to make the new machines for the customers. Back in the early 80s, we started making our own interface because nobody really had anything that could do what we wanted to do. So my dad, being the way he was, said, hey, let's make our own graphics user interface. So we did. The one thing we were lacking though was some of the power behind it. We were looking for a partner that could help us take us over the top because we knew we had the interface for the user that they loved. Siemens came along and they said, hey, you know what? We got something here for you that we could actually let you guys use your interface but use our control as the back end. We worked really well with Electromatic and Siemens to develop this control. The relationship was really good. They're easy to get a hold of, and I think that's what really helped to make it a true transition from our old control to this one. So now they get the experience with the user interface, but they had the horsepower behind it.